The compression springs are located inside of your router's plunge columns. The springs push the router head back up when the plunge lock is released. They also allow you to control the speed that the router is plunged into a cut, giving the head a floating feel. Over time, the springs can lose their tension, so they no longer support the router head adequately. Occasionally, a spring might break. Replacing the compression spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by separating the motor assembly from the base. To separate the two halves, I'll remove the adjustment handle. Now I can pull the motor assembly away from the base. Now I have access to the compression springs. To replace them, I first remove the plastic stopper and then pull the spring away from the column. Now I can install the new spring and replace the stopper. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor assembly to the base. And now you know how to install a new compression spring in your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.